If you're seeing a Monday.com failed to fetch error or a login problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as fast as possible. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can try right now, even if you're not very technical. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. First, start with the easiest solution. Refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a quick refresh is all it takes to reconnect Monday.com properly. If the page still won't load, the next step is to sign out of your Monday.com account completely, then sign back in again. This can reset your session and fix login-related issues. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A browser settings window should open. Select Cache and Cookies, then click Clear. After that, close the browser completely and restart it before trying Monday.com again. Old or corrupted browser data is one of the most common causes of the failed to fetch error. Now let's check your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com loading correctly. Click the three-dot menu in your browser, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions, and then refresh Monday.com again. If the site works after disabling extensions, you've found the cause. Another important step is to turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs can sometimes trigger connection issues or block requests that Monday.com needs in order to sign you in. Disable the VPN or proxy, then refresh the page and try again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If you're still having trouble, try using a different browser. Monday.com works best in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, so switch to one of those if you're on another browser. Then open Monday.com, sign in again, and see if the error is gone. A browser change can often bypass local settings or extensions causing the issue. At this point, you've covered the most effective fixes for the Monday.com failed to fetch error. Refresh the page, sign out and back in, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off VPN or proxy, and use a supported browser. Most login problems are solved by one of these steps. If one fix doesn't work, keep going through the list in order. The goal is to remove anything that could be blocking Monday.com from connecting properly. Once the site loads again, you should be able to log in and continue working without interruptions. If this tutorial helped you fix the Monday.com error login issue, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.